Come test drive the 2022 INFINITI Q60. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find upholstery, semi-aniline leather, voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, InTouch satellite communications, audio speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.